winner of large renovation project for this year is Stonewood Builders Ltd.
Incredibly prestigious award. I think it will give us great exposure and build and emphasise what we really do best. And we've got some great tradesmen, and I think it's a reflection as to what they've done and what they can do and what we do as a business, really.
Yeah, it's a coveted award. It's one we've won regionally historically, so it was nice to have such a strong contender go through to the national awards and ultimately end up being the winner. But as Jamie said, real recognition of the project delivery teams, from the contracts manager right down to the site labourer. They deserve enormous credit for it, so it's a huge advert for the company, really. It's a textbook example of the sort of projects we like to be involved with, really, and we're fortunate enough to have our passion shared by the clients who were very much into the long history of the building, so it was a privilege to work on it alongside them.
Winning the large renovation category in a way completes a bit of a journey for us as well, because when we first entered the FMB Awards in 2007, we were fortunate enough to win a small renovation prize for the region. And I think over the 14-15 years since that project was completed, the FMB has supported us as we've grown as a business, and this is acknowledgement that we're operating at that kind of higher level, that higher value level, and doing it as well as we've ever done it.
B&C were really proud to be invited to sponsor this year's Master Builder Awards, as they celebrate the great craftsmanship that this country has in the small to medium sized builders. It's just been great to have such a great celebration following the last turbulent 18 months that everybody's gone through. So having the awards tonight has just been absolutely wonderful to see everybody enjoying themselves and celebrating the great success. B&CE was formed back in 1942. We originally formed to provide employee benefits to the construction industry. We now own the second largest automatic enrolment pension provider called the People's Pension.